Well, it was just an absolute joy to be here, and that it was, I think, 10 years ago when I first met a Welsh member of the Assembly on a e-democracy conference. So I knew that the Assembly here was a leader, but I think it's only in being here that we realize that there is a genuine, authentic need to engage citizens. It's like a whole culture of bottom up, that everything we hear here is a citizen-centered civil society, listening, inclusion, worrying that various parts of Wales may not feel as included here, and therefore some really serious strategies to get out and hear what people need. And again, it's not just communication, it's a genuine desire to engage in a real conversation with the citizens. So from the extraordinary social media presentation we saw yesterday to the outreach with students this morning, for them to actually be there in the former legislature voting on things, it really was an inspiration. We'll take a lot of fantastic ideas back, but mainly it is for an assembly that didn't like the idea of other people making decisions on their behalf. They have certainly taken to heart that this is about the people of Wales and listening to them so that they can this can be as good as it can be.